Hey everyone, so I've been getting a lot of requests to do tutorials, so this is going to be my first attempt for y'all, and let me know what you think. So I'm just going to do a basic cow hitch today, because to do anything you're going to need to know how to do that. So we'll start with something simple. There's a few different ways you can do this. One being, find your cord and find the center. With this, you can just put it through, pull it around with this loop, tighten it, and now you have your cow hitch. Pretty simple. That's one way of doing it. If your project's already on something where you don't have the ability to pull it over like that, you can also take your loop and put it through the project, and then go ahead with this loop down here underneath, take your thread, pull it through that loop, tighten it, and there's your cow hitch there. So that's two ways of doing your cow hitch, but once you have it there, attach it to your jig. I'm going to keep this short just so it fits in the screen well. And again, whatever hardware you need could be different for each project. I'm just going to use this D-ring as an example for you today. But for most of my collars, you're going to need 2 points to attach it to so you can make this loop. I'll just throw this D-ring here as an example for you today. Actually, let's flip this around to make it a little easier. All right. Now to do one on the other side, to connect your project, you'll take this first cord, thread it through the top of this D-ring, like so, and then you will take this cord, you'll have it on the left side of this line, you'll put it over like a little 4, and then you'll take the end of this cord, come back up through this D-ring, make sure this line where it goes over the 4, you're going to make sure this goes underneath and pull this tight. And so with this, you will now have created your other cow hitch. You'll want to do the same thing on the other side, but reverse it. So this time put it through the top. We'll thread it all the way through that D-ring. Like so. This will be on the inside middle now. And again, like before, you'll make another 4, but it's going to be a reversed 4. Like so. You'll take this end piece, bring it up through the D-ring. Again, make sure with this it goes underneath the 4 piece. Pull it all the way through. And now you have your second cow hitch. So this is just an example of how you're going to attach your pieces to make collars in the future or for whatever projects you choose to do. But let me know what you think, and if you think I should keep doing these tutorials, give me a like and a follow, and I'll see you on the next one.